Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different than we normally do because we are standing in front of a 2018 Mustang GT 5.0.
First we're going to start with, the car is completely factory. The only other thing I have is a K&N drop-in filter. That's it, stock air box, everything else. So factory exhaust. So right here I picked up these. These are the C&L Sportback series. They have just a little bit of a muffler here, so technically I am running a muffler. How much that's gonna work out, we'll see. The second thing here is the C&L also off-road H-pipe. We're gonna get rid of that suitcase style looking factory resonator. So hopefully we pick up a couple ponies. I know it's gonna flow better, and hopefully definitely we pick up some sound. All right, so we're underneath the car right here. We gotta make some marks on where to cut the current exhaust. The directions tell you to cut it right after this 90-degree bend. So you wanna hit this straight part right here. I figure we're about right here. Does it look good, Mike?
Sure.
So we'll make a line here.
I guess you've read the direction.
I've seen it a couple of times too. If you actually look at the pipe, I probably could have done it without instructions and knowing that, because it's pretty obvious to see where they go. So we'll kind of make a mark here. Do the same one on the other side. Right after the 90-degree bend, right when we go straight. We'll make a mark here. Again, this is just to kind of remind you round about the area that you're going to cut. We're going to try to cut as straight as possible. That way we won't have no fitment issues. But as always, you know, you got to have your before you cut, you got to have your your Nike safety glasses on. You don't want to get no metal shavings in your eyes. So we're good on that, and I guess we'll go ahead and chop some stuff off, see what happens. Got your got the clutch reciprocating saw here. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, I put my foot up there because I kind of had an idea that this muffler was going to swing down and hit me in the face. I did not want that to happen, so looks like we're safe. So pretty much we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll pull these mufflers off. Anytime you chop the mufflers off, you got to give it a startup. You got to see what it sounds like. That's like a #1 rule right there.
Sorry, neighbors. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Well, I guess they don't care.
They like it. They really like it. Little burrs. I don't really have a file handy right now, so I'm gonna go do my best with this piece of sandpaper. Knock these off a little bit. This will do the job just fine if you don't have a file. What I'll do is I'll roll this up here, and then I'll run around the edge here. That'll take off any rough cuts really that you have. One more time around here. And that just ensures that you got a nice clean fit. You know, metal's not fighting against metal with sharp edges, trying to put the muffler in place. Just clean this up a little bit, and then we'll do the other side, same thing. I think that'll get it good. Get all this crud out of there. Now, when we put our slip joint on, everything should fit pretty well. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get all the big stuff off. It'll be sufficient. Now we get to move on to seeing if it fits and slide the mufflers over, put them in place. All right, so we got everything cleaned up. Now we're ready to put the axle back on. You're gonna take your clamp here. After you cleaned everything off, you're gonna go ahead and slide this on. Then you're gonna take your muffler here. First, what I like to do is I like to put a little caliper grease or some kind of grease on these things. It'll help them fit in the hanger. Well, we made a mess. We'll put a little lube on that. Put a little bit up here. Help it slide in a little better for you. No pun intended. And first, we're gonna slide this guy. We're gonna try to slide him in. That might fight you a little bit, but the grease is definitely gonna help. All right, we're gonna swing up here. We're gonna try. Yeah, it's gonna fight us a little bit. I'll try to get this piece on. Alright, like so. I do believe we might have some fitment issues. Actually, I can probably adjust it.
You're inside your diffuser.
I see that. I don't know why that's not. Oh, there we go. All right, hopefully no harm, no foul. We line it up there.
You're touching on the top. Right there.
All right, so we're gonna have to angle it up a little bit. Do a little adjustment, but I think we're close.
All right, so this is what it looks like fully installed. There's no welding involved. It's just you know, the band clamps. But this is what everything looks like installed. The black with the black car really looks good. But there's what it's installed. That's what it looks like. This is what you can expect. And here in a second, we'll get you a cold start. Yeah, boy, she's quite a bit louder. Quite a bit louder. Yes? Yes? Quite a bit louder. Say it's drony. I mean, you can hear it.
You can definitely hear it. What you want. I mean, it's not killing your ears yet,
right.
But it's almost the perfect amount.
Right, you can hear it. It gives you a nice little rumble, but it's not over the top. It's not. I mean, you could ride like this for hours. I mean,
I could definitely road trip with this system the way it is now.
Yeah. So once he has this on for a little while, we'll definitely come back and do a review of say long term, but you know, the initial response and what it is, what he likes, and what he don't like. Is, I don't care what it is. You can pay $1,000 for something that, you know, like this, and maybe not be happy with it. So,
right. Yeah. To each their own.
So we'll get it, and we'll definitely give you the full-on review. But as of now, man, for what you paid for it,
Yes.
this is amazing.
Very budget friendly. I like it.
That sounds good. It sounds good. It definitely sounds good. I mean, I know I probably shouldn't say this is a Mustang video,
Yeah.
but I've never been a Mustang guy. And it's been, like I said, it's easily been 20 years since I've been in a Mustang.
Give me time. You'll be making the switch.
And this thing sounds good, man.
I like it. Yeah, for sure. It sounds real good. It's just a right amount. So I'm very happy with it. Now I'd like to see how the actual H pipe changes the whole resonance of the old system. And well, I guess you'll have to stay tuned to find that.
Hit the subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Until next time.
Yes. Peace.
See ya.